Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am Desarae. Today we are doing a Amazon bob hair review. I was sent a 12-inch bob to review for you guys. So if you are new to my channel, subscribe, hit all notifications. Also, if you are a return subscriber, thank you so much for tuning in. So yeah, let's jump right into it. All right, y'all, so this is a 12-inch bob. This is the hair right here. It came from Amazon Prime. It is a 4x4. This is the parting space. It has a comb in the back and straps. So I'm gonna go ahead, cut off the lace and style her, and then I'm gonna give you guys my thoughts and the specs on the wig. So keep on watching.
I think I like how your body feels next to me. Oh, baby, when you're kissing me. Oh, baby, when you're loving me. I can't describe what I want to do to you tonight. Oh, baby, when you come to me, I'll make it so you never leave. Can you rock with me? Oh, baby, stop with me. Can you take it to the top with me? I just wanna love you, baby. Always thinking of baby, baby. Can you roll with me? Oh, baby, roll with me. Can you take it to the top with me? I just wanna love you, baby. Always thinking of baby, 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 baby. If I can handle you as just a friend, oh baby, I can't pretend. Oh baby, I'm so foreign, but I don't mind as long as I could have you in my life. Oh baby, I'm satisfied, even if you're not just mine. Can you rock with me? Oh baby, stop with me. Can you take it?
Hey y'all, so I am back with styling her. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump into the details, and then I'm gonna give you guys my thoughts. So once again, this wig is a 4x4 human hair Brazilian. This is from Amazon Prime. You can also return this hair too if it is not to your liking. Texture is on the silky side, so it is straight. To me, I believe the density, they stated that it is a 150. To me, it's kind of like on the 140, 150 side. So the length is 12 inches, but I'm kind of leery on that, so I'm going to talk about that in my thoughts on the wig. The wig was not pre-plucked, as you can see. I was too lazy to pre-pluck it myself. I will probably when I actually wear this out, but since I'm just doing a video, I'm not going to pluck it because I'm pressed on time. I do not have any shedding, no tangling. So yeah, let's jump into my thoughts. Initially, as you see this wig, don't it look like it's asymmetrical? It look like it's long in the front, and then in the back, it's like, you know, it goes up in length. So this is 12 inches. I'm gonna let you guys be the judge. But this part right here look like it's about 14. So it looks asymmetrical. I believe that this is just a regular, it's supposed to be a regular bob. I'm not mad at it though because it looks kind of fly. It frames my face, so I'm not mad at it. But I do want to let you guys know that it is supposed to be a 12-inch bob. So yeah, this is how it's looking. So my overall thoughts is that I wish that it was pre-plucked. The hairline is a bit dense. I made my own baby hairs, and I also added powder too in the part. And then the hair is more on the natural side, but y'all know I like my wigs to look natural looking. But I do like this. I just wish that the hairline was pre-plucked. And what else, y'all? What else do I wish? I think that's about it. I'm not mad at the density. So for these ends, they're a bit, they could be in better shape. They're a bit like, I don't know, I think it's like fringed. So I don't think it's split. I just think how it's in length, it just looks like that. I'm kind of feeling this. So yeah, my only kind with this wig is I just wish that it was pre-plucked. But other than that, as far as, you know, my thoughts and my opinions, I think it's a pretty good slay. That is all that I have for you guys on this video. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I see you guys in my next video. Bye, y'all.